Alright, fellas, I got some more parts. I mean, I've had some of them for a while. Um, I just didn't bother making a video on them until I wanted to get what I was waiting on. But I've had this Frostbite electric water pump. I got the harness for it as well, and the kit itself came with its hardware and its own pigtail. But this is the actual relay harness and all that to wire it up to the truck, the power source and all that, so it runs. And I already pre-installed it. And here's the stock one, which is actually a smaller version of what the stock um, mechanical water pump would typically go. That this goes to. Like I said before, I got this. The engine's from this 350 is from 92 C1500. So this is actually a smaller mechanical water pump. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. It does save you quite a bit of space, especially from this end to this end. It's a little bit shorter. I would say maybe a half inch or so, maybe an inch. Which we're gonna take every millimeter of space that we can get. But yeah, I'm just pre-mounting it because I've had it for a while. And also, about a couple of weeks ago, I finally got the Street Demon carburetor. It's not mounted on there, it's just, you know, on there, but not mounted. What I'm doing right now is stripping the paint from the engine block. I'm using this aircraft paint remover. It's actually pretty good stuff. It's really strong. As I want to change the theme a little bit on the engine. Obviously, we got the way end performance intake. It's like a slightly darker silver or metal grayish color than the aluminum that this thing is made out of. And I also painted the valve cover, at least this one. I'm still working on the other one that actually comes with this engine. If you guys remember, it was also painted orange. So this one's already good to go. It's got several coats of the same. Actually, I used the same color as I did for the intake, and a couple of coats of the high temp clear coat as well. So again, these I just snagged at the junkyard from a 350, or from a vehicle that had the small block 350 on it as well. And I just really got these to put over this engine while I was working on these, and just to protect the insides, so no moisture gets in there or any creepy crawlers. But yeah, I want to change the theme just a hair. Not that there's necessarily anything wrong with the orange, but I want to go with the brighter red, or maybe just a little darker red. Maybe even the same red that I have on this rear axle. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this little preview on the Frostbite electric water pump, the Street Demon carburetor. Man, this thing's freaking gorgeous. And I'm kind of researching a little bit so that I know, so that I get the right parts. Because I want to keep the power steering in the truck. So there's a particular serpentine kit, I think is what it's called, that will let you mount your alternator roughly in this spot, and then your power steering pump on this side. Because again, with the, if you guys, I'm sure you guys already know, with the electric water pumps, that does away with the with any pulleys or belts. You won't need any of that. So again, I'm just researching a little bit, so that way make sure I order the right parts, and you know, get this thing looking a little nicer. Again, this is just on there temporary. I gotta pull it back out so I can start stripping the rest of this paint and paint this sucker. But yeah, hope you guys are digging this look. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Alright, but anyway. Oh yeah, and I finally, I mean, it's not the most, I don't know, what you would call safe things to do. You really, you want an actual engine stand to keep the engine up. But these jack stands are, I think they're 6 ton each, if I'm not mistaken. The little tiny one in the back is probably a 3 ton. But this sucker's nice and settled in there. It's incredibly stable. It is not moving or going anywhere. So I wanted to be able to pull the hoist out of the way and have more room to maneuver and work on this, you know, get those little details that I need done. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this little preview, and I'll see you. Let me back away one last time. Like I said, it's not bad at all. It's just coming along slowly but surely.